Welcome back to my channel, the Low Sodium Queen, and today we're going to be making low sodium lasagna. And this recipe is out of the book 500 Recipes, Low Sodium Recipes by Logue. So what I'm going to do is, I already have my frying pan warm here. I'm going to put in 1 pound of hamburger meat. Oops. And I'm going to grill that up, or cook it up, whatever, until it is nice and brown, is what it says. And while we're doing that, come here to this bowl and we're going to focus on this. Put in 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. I got this from Aldi. It's 15 ounces exactly. Right, 15 ounces into the bowl. Now it says 2 eggs. I'm going to take my tiny whisk here and whisk all that together. Alright, got my little thing I cooked my hamburger meat with, and I'm just going to stab it up and start grinding that meat up. While that's still cooking, I'm going to take you back over here and mix in the rest of the cheese into the ricotta cheese. Okay, so we're going to be putting in 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and 1/4 cup of Parmesan, and I already put it in my big measuring cup here since my other ones are in the dishwasher, since we just made the crust and the peach pie. So we're just going to mix all that together. That is done mixing. So I'm going to take you back over, I'm going to set this to the side and take you back over to the meat. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go over here and get my 6 cups of low sodium spaghetti sauce. I'm going to be using the rest of this one that we had left over. And then I'm also going to be introducing a new sauce by The Vine. So, hoping all of this mixed together will make 6 cups. Alright, ground beef is done. I'm going to go drain it and I will be right back. Okay, we're back, and it says to take a spoon here. It says to take the sauce. I already put olive oil in the pan because I didn't have any cooking spray. And put sauce in the bottom. Let's separate it out. I think we need more sauce. Sauce on the bottom, and then these 4 lasagna noodles. Spread half of this cheese mixture we just did over the noodles. And it says put half the meat in. All right. It says to spread some sauce over it. And then to repeat. So 4 noodles. One cup. Alright guys, so we just cover it now, like it says, and I will put it in the oven for 1 hour. The lasagna is done. Well, not entirely. It says to put it in the oven on about 5 more minutes in the oven until the cheese has melted. So we'll do that and we'll see what it looks like. And so far it looks super yummy. Can't wait to eat this. I'm starving, even though I just ate some pie. Alright, see you guys soon. Lasagna is done. I had to put it on broil in my oven to get a crispier top, because it was taking way too long for it to melt the cheese and everything like it said. So this is how it looks. It looks amazing. I can't wait to taste it because, y'all, I'm hungry. So I hope it's good. Well, I know it will be good because I made it. Jokes. But it was a recipe from the book, and I'll let you guys know. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do a little taste right here, so I can go ahead and let you guys know how it tasted. Little spoon. Hot, but really delicious. Yeah. This will be something we make again in the future. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This little area right here. See you guys next time. Until next time. Bye!